Welcome to our YouTube channel, Logic on YouTube. And today I will discuss a function that will support two different formats. This format and this format. This is the regular format of a function, but this is a very unique or a special format of a function. So this question is asked especially for this format. So I will try to explain the format, this format first, and finally I will answer the question. Write a function that will run for both the formats. And I have taken this question as a part of JavaScript interview questions and answer video series, which is available on YouTube. And I have already discussed the solution for two questions. The first question was how to create deep or isolated copy of an object in JavaScript. It is already answered and explained, and the video is already available on the YouTube. You can find that inside the series JavaScript interview questions and answer. The second question was how to count the occurrence of each character in a string. This also has been resolved, and the video is already available on the same video series, and the series name is JavaScript interview questions and answers. Today, I have taken the question write a function that will run for both the format. The format is this and this. This question is also very important for interview purpose, and the probability to ask this question in the interview is 60 to 70%. So let's start discussing a very unique or a special format supported in JavaScript. So let's start. So suppose there is a function sum. This will take a value from its caller, and I will store that value inside X. And as a result of this function, I will return another function that will accept another value inside y, and now I will return x plus y, and this will resolve this unique format supported in JavaScript. First, I will show you the answer and then discuss the logic implemented in this function. So I'm calling this function sum by passing 2 and then 3. So this will return 5 as the answer. 5. So I will take that result in a variable and then display that result on the screen. Document.write result. Save the script and see the result on the screen. Save, refresh. 5. Yeah, it's correct. It's working. It's working. Wow. So now try to understand what is inside this function. I have defined a function named sum. This is a regular function that will take a value from its caller. So for function sum, I have passed 2. Here, in place of sum, 2 as a argument inside the parenthesis, this will be replaced by the return value of function sum, and function sum is returning another function. So the inner function will be called here after returning the value from the sum method, and that function will be called for for argument 3. In this case, the inner function, you can say this inner function, it's a closer. It's a closer function. When a function is defined inside another function, then the inner function is referred to as closer function, and a closer function has access to its parent params. That's right. Closer function has access to its parent params. So inner function will use X, and that will be added to inner function parent Y, and it's supported in JavaScript. JavaScript inner function closer function can access parameters from its parent function, and how this is resolved. Yeah. I have already saved this script and show the result on a screen. Check with the result with another example. Before that, change the line, write beer. It will change the line. And now I will have answer in another variable, share res, called sum and pass 5 and 10. So this will return 15. Check that document dot write res. Save the script and refresh the system. So it's 15. It's correct. Now I will write a script. Now I will write a script that will support both the format. In this case, if I write sum and I will pass value 4 and 5, then it will not be supported. Now it will not be supported by the function format which is defined with a single parameter. So I will define another function that will support both the format, the special unique format and a regular format. So let's start writing a solution for that. That I am defining a new function add, and this will take two arguments, but it should support one argument as well. I will first check if the y is supplied inside add function. If y equal undefined, means y is not supplied. Y is not supplied means this is called y is not supplied means they are calling by passing only a single parameter like this, and they will pass another parameter in this format. So I will return a function. I will return a function from if to support the second argument, which will pass as a y in a new special format. So return from here, return an another function, which is referred to as closer function, and this will take the first argument. Sorry, this will take the second argument y, as it is not supplied in the regular format. So y will be supplied here, and now from inner closer function, I will return the summation of x and y. This function can be referred to as closer function, and I have already told that closer function has access to the params available in its parent function. So here add is a parent function, and x will be available to the closer function, which is currently anonymous because it has no name. Now, if they have supplied a regular function format, then it will go for else, and in else statement, I will return simply x plus y to support add x comma y format. I'm done. Check with the answer. Before printing the result on the screen, I will change line so that output will look more clear. Document dot write add, and I will pass 2 3 for supporting or checking a special function format, which is possible using closer function, and this should return or display on the screen 5, and again I will change the line using br element and then print, and we'll check it for another. I will pass 10 and 20 for second format, and it should return 30. Save the screen, sorry, save the script and refresh the screen. Yeah, wow. It's showing 5 and 30, means it's supporting both the format. I will check with another value, and before that I will change the line beer document dot write add pass 4 and 5, so it should print 9, and again document dot write change line document dot write add pass 3 and 9, regular format, and it should display 12. Save the screen, save the script and refresh the page 9 and 12. Done. I hope now you are able to resolve this question, and which is frequently asked in the interview. So all the best for your interview, and thank you guys for watching this video. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share, or subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.